YouTube. YouTube, what's good with y'all, man? Back with another video. As y'all can see, we got the cars out right now, lined up and shit. We got my shit right here, my boy D shit. We got Jada over here. B58. Stop playing around. Yo, yo, he cooking. Slow it down, gang. We got the X3 right here. We waiting on that boy Stealth to pull up right now. Wondering where that boy at. I can hear him. 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 Slide that motherfucker. Slide that shit. He won't slide that shit. He finna. Hold on. Oh my God! Nah, that boy just went crazy. Yo, where he get that shit from? Where he get that shit from? He not like that. Bro left the spots and shit in the middle of the road, bro. Nah, rear wheel in this shit, spinning that would be crazy, bro. We got that boy coming down. We good. You good, bro? Yo, where you get that shit from?
That boy hit that thing.
That boy hit that thing. That wasn't him. Who was driving that shit, gang?
What happened, man?
Yo, who was driving? Nah, look at the difference.
Nah, that's actually crazy.
Nah, my shits ain't that bad though. For real. BMW brake dust is the worst. Look at the difference, bro. When we come back here. Damn, my car sounds so good out here, bro. But we finna head to this car meet around 12 o'clock. But right now, we finna drive to my boy Mike's crib. Yeah! We terrorizing the shit out of these college campus right now. I'm already knowing these niggas trying to hog some shit down, bro. So when I look back, all I can see is just these headlights right on my bumper, bro. Like, look at that shit. Yo, we all in sync right now. That shit's fire. As soon as this shit go green, I'ma honk at him. Give me a dig, little nigga. Ah. Yo. Give me a dig, nigga. I'm kidding, bro. I'm a dig though. Yes, sir. Oh my God. Chat, we going stupid right now. Nah, it's cool, it's cool. Yo, why you didn't put your car in? I was gonna make videos. Hit that thing, J-Dot. For y'all wondering, this the whip Brody was sliding earlier. This shit nice. That V8 thing. Listen to that. That's how you know we was driving.
My car smell like mad brakes.
Nah, fact.
My brakes.
Dude, your dad car like a Batmobile. Yep. We got my car over here. Basically, we got all the cars over here at bro crib right now. Nah, this the nicest whip out here for real. This your type of whip right here, huh? Lexus? Yeah. This the nicest one right here. You got the orange brakes.
Look at the rims.
I ain't never seen people with orange brakes. That's different for real. Yes, sir. Bro finna complete the Bro finna complete the Fast and Furious crib. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Put him right here.
Yeah, now lock it left. Other way. Lock it the other way. Yeah, now go down.
Oh, yeah. I see what y'all talking about.
Back.
Yeah, that's good.
Look at the lineup right now.
Photo each car.
Look at the lineup right now.
Whole trip.
Yes, sir. Look at the professional detailer right here.
The only way to get this brake dust off is to wash these.
Wash them bitches and scrub them. Yo, D, you probably gonna have to scrub them bitches, gang. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Sir. So right now we headed to the meet. How you doing, man? How you feeling? Now, I don't know who that is.
Yeah, y'all need to get rid of him.
Yeah, man.
Stay blessed, brother.
You too, man.
You good?
Yo, I lost traction like a motherfucker. For me, this nigga trying to go fast. He lying like a motherfucker. He ain't getting no octane booster.
I'm not.
Go get that shit.
I'm getting that shit right now.
Dead ass?
Shit gonna run like a dream.
What?
With octane booster, that shit gonna run like a dream. Nah, he don't need none of that.
I don't need none of that shit. Let me see what it look like.
I used it on my last car too.
Shit today.
You good?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, y'all been talking shit, right? Yo, he tried to take that bitch to the moon.
No, it does.
I can't wait to get my shit too.
Nah,
I know your ass want to try this shit.
I do, but I ain't. I'm chilling.
Yeah, I'm chilling. Yeah, I'm chilling.
I'm chilling.
I got that stage too, boy. I feel like I'm on this all day. Yo, why niggas acting up, bro? My RPM's gotta drop. Relax. Yeah. So right now we are headed to the meet, man. We got the cars behind us and shit. Look at this Cybertruck, chat. What the hell? That Cybertruck. That paint on it look crazy though. Yeah. What's good, bro? Huh? I ain't trying to pop his eardrums, bro. Oh my. Here. Sheesh. Look at the lineup though. Go crazy, bro. In the lineup, bro. What this is right here?
Is that a Miata? That ain't no Miata, bro. That shit
Miata?
look good. Look how
That's
clean,
what I'm saying.
bro. Ain't no way you drove on those, bro.
Nah, word. He got to lift it up a little bit. F82 John. Oh, did he chrome them? That's fire. He chromed the start run. I seen somebody just do that on a G82. G82. Oh, he got the chrome. He got the full chrome grills. Sheesh. Yo, one thing you gonna see about Jersey is mad M3s.
Facts.
You can't pass the F30 now. Woo. There's a bunch of niggas going on. We got my boy shit. Where my boy at? Yes, sir. Hold up. Where my boy at? This the first G80 I seen with these seats right here. Yo, he do have a lot of rock chips. Is it?
I did the PPF myself. That's why the front of it looks ass, but I needed to put
Yeah, fact.
that shit was gonna get destroyed.
G80 thing. What is it? G82? Murdered out. Yo, this G80 and G82 central out here. I seen this one before. This fire. Yo, I can't choose between these colors. Which one would you choose? This John or this John? This G80 central right here. Nah, standard. Oh my God. We'll skip the G80s and come to this right here. Woo. Yes, sir. Yo, I need to come live out Jersey, bro. Like dead ass. Oh my God.
Yo, I really just fooled me.
Huh?
That shit just fooled me. Nigga. I really thought it was that.
I know everybody probably done seen all these cars already, bro, on my channel. Fact. Agile kit, this look way more better than the Agile kit right now.
You need a lip.
I mean, if he added a lip, then be done. Facts.
Y'all know the color on that, bro.
Sheesh. We got the MA thing. Sheesh. BCT, nigga. My fault, bro. It's a manual. It's a manual. Bro coming back again.
Coming back around.
Color combo insane. Sheesh. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yo, he keeping them
This
rooms
the
clean,
facelift,
bro.
John.
That shit clean.
That's valid.
Put it there. Oh, he got everything changed out.
Yeah, he got the whole other.
Oh my God. Are these on coilovers?
No, that's on factory air suspension.
Really?
Damn.
Air suspension.
HREs is sick too.
Jeez, bro. You see why chrome is better? Like, look at that.
clean.
Bro, he really don't gotta do nothing to this car. It's already perfect, bro.
Bro, this shit is beautiful, bro.
You gonna do nothing else to it?
Nah, that's it. Man.
That's it.
I got the new M5 wagon. I bought it.
I ain't seen none of these here. You probably won't ever see another one of these here right
You'll
now.
not see.
Yo, that's air suspension. Look how perfect that shit sits. I wonder who drive this joint right here. I wonder who drive these bitches right here. Yeah, I'm smoking this 340 too, and this X3, and this 240 right here. I don't even know who car these is, but I'm smoking all of them. Especially this black one right here. Nah, this really the best car in the lot though. Old gen, new gen.
Everybody likes it.
This shit different, bro. F80 with the front mount. Sheesh. How you doing, man? He got the wide John on there. Yo, he's saying too low. That's low.
Oh, bro.
Yes, sir. What's good, bro?
How you doing,
How y'all feeling, bro? Yo, this thing look nice, bro. Woo! That shit clean. Fact. D trying to get his shit tuned up now. Oh!
That's the thing that ran the low 9.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah, that is something.
That shit. Facts. Yo, he trying to hit me, bro. Bro got all the eyes on him right now. Look at, look at these wheels, bro. Them wheels is crazy, bro. Nah, the front end on this is crazy.
That's what I'm trying to do with the lip, bro. Like how they got that.
That's fire. Yeah, I think she built this car in like 3 weeks. She got the green at the back.
Got the white interior with the green.
Green at the back.
Bro.
Geo right there, boy.
His S58 sound nice.
It does.
Nah, how can you get over G80 rear ends though? This shit is fire.
Shit's gonna be like an 8-second car.
This the world record car right here. He got my steering wheel and all too. Regular shit.
Regular shit.
Got it.
Oh, he's got the John.
Yeah, he got the John.
Yeah.
Oh,
Imagine. I got
Bumbo clad.
I got the
Yes, sir. You too, broski. What the fuck? No. It's the cleanest M2 I hear right now.